Currently, the temperature is 68 degrees with a thunderstorm. A flash flood warning and a tornado watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Overnight, strong to severe thunderstorms, low 67, winds west at 20 to 30 miles per hour, 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. On Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies early will become partly cloudy later in the day. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible, high 83. And Wednesday night, late night thunderstorms, low 59, chance of rain 50%, locally heavy rainfall possible.